Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Raf for Mr. English, and in today's class, we're going to talk a little bit about how to spell the alphabet, of course. So let's get started. Well, I want you to look at this conversation. Maybe it's a hotel, doing the check-in. Let's look at the conversation. What's your last name, sir? Form a genie. How do you spell it, please? F-O-R-M-A-G-G-N-I. So this is a typical conversation that you might have when you check into a hotel. So you see, it's necessary to spell your name, for example. And to do that, we need the alphabet. So let's take a look at the alphabet. I'm gonna say it, and then you can repeat after me, okay? But first I'm gonna say the complete alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, I'm going to say it a little slower, and I want you to repeat after me, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now guys, please pay attention to these small differences, okay? Here we have E from like email, okay? So E. And here I have I from iPhone. So email, iPhone. Now pay attention to the difference between these two letters, K and Q. So be careful. OK, M, N. So pay attention. The first one, your mouth is closed. M. The second one, your mouth is open. N. D and G. D, G. Well guys, for today, that's it. Don't forget, always use your English. Bye-bye.